Hey guys, welcome back to Local Coma. Say hello to the Blue Compass Boom Arm. This sexy beast costs a fraction of the price of the Yellowtick Mika, which many see as an industry standard, and has pretty much the exact same functionality. Now let me introduce you to my favorite microphone, the Shure SM7B. It fits nicely on the end of the arm, has brilliant noise filtering, and a sleek design. Both are extremely well built and make my job a lot easier when I'm doing audio work. But their designs clash horribly for me if I want to reposition the microphone's angle, since the XLR connection is on top of the microphone's mounting bracket, not the body of the microphone itself like a standard mic. Enter the Shure A26X. This incredibly simple piece of metal makes all the difference and allows me to comfortably rotate my microphone without jacking up my XLR or the equipment. It's advertised as a desk mounting tube, but I'm told works great for boom arms as well. So let's take a look. Oh my, another bag! Who could have seen this coming, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, so let's get this thing attached, shall we? And drumroll, please! 3 inches may not seem like a lot to have added onto your microphone, but it honestly makes a massive difference once it's on the stand. If I want, I can flip the microphone up now, so I have a much easier standing position, or that 3 inches can also make it a lot easier for me to sit at my desk and record comfortably. I constantly run into a problem of what's the best place to put my arm, what's the best way to angle it so that it's not going to interfere with the microphone. I can go ahead and turn my microphone around at just about any angle, and it's not going to cause me any problem with the XLR. The build quality on this is phenomenal, as with anything that I would expect to see from Shure. It's very solid, it's not hollow from what I can tell, so it actually feels a bit like part of a microphone. It has a nice tight grip to it, which is something that I had a little bit of a concern about because some of the reviews said it was kind of loose, like the threading was wrong on it, but no issues, at least with mine. It fits onto my adapter perfectly, so I'm really pleased with it from that perspective as well, because I didn't want my microphone to come dropping off the stand and end up breaking something, or God forbid, getting broken itself. It is more glossy than both my microphone and my stand, so that kind of makes it a little obvious, but it's not too bad, and I didn't get it for cosmetic purposes. I got it to make my life easier, and it definitely appears to be capable of doing that for me. I got mine for $8 through Amazon Prime with free shipping. It was a fantastic deal, because honestly, the way this feels and the benefit it provides, I could have seen them trying to charge a whole lot more than that. Jokes aside, it is just a tube of metal. There's not a whole lot that I can really say about that. Fantastic build quality, actual functional purpose, and the price isn't actually bad for what you get. So yeah, it's a Shure product. I don't have any negatives to say about it. And while it's a great product, I don't have a whole lot more I can really say about it on that front. So we're done here. That's it. That's the review. It's done. I'm sorry. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please go down to the comment section below, leave me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you later. Oh, and yes, I actually did like the product enough that I made a wallpaper for it. You're welcome. I may start doing this for all of the items I review, but until then, Shure, please sponsor me. I love you.